it's hot.
Oh, yes. Okay, where are you? Whoa, that was cool. I hope I got it good enough. I don't know how good of a cameraman I am. Oh my goodness.
That was freaking awesome.
That was from 8 o'clock this morning. It was negative 26 degrees outside. The wind chill factor was negative 56. No school today.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Right now it's warmed up quite a bit. It's negative 16. It's still cold. And what we're going to do next is we got some bubbles. We're going to try and see how that does in the cold. So stick around. There's the first one. Cool. Is that a frozen bubble?
It's plastic.
Plastic? Looks like plastic, doesn't it?
Maybe that's how they make plastic.
You think that's how they make plastic?
Yeah.
They're just rolling along the snow cake. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What do you guys think about going? It's cold! Oh, it is so cold. Oh, what'd you guys think? Was that cool though?
Yeah, but it was...
Yeah, it was a little too windy though, because the bubbles were getting away from us, but that was pretty cool, the ones that froze and then just rolled along the ground.
No school tomorrow.
No school. Well, you might not have school
Yay.
tomorrow. But let's go back home and yeah, find a blanket. Next time?
Yeah, bye.
Alright. See you next time?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we'll see you next time.